In the near future, the person who communicates best will become the programmer. If you can clearly describe the outcome that you want and capture it in a structured, executable way, and then provide the right context, then AI will handle the work. And that is what we want. Anyone who can articulate vision, constraints, and success criteria will be the one building the future, not by typing more code, but by really translating thought into action. So that is why this is so important, because structure input always would lead to structure output. How many of you are comfortable with prompting? And if you have used prompting like from a strategic point of view, either in Copilot or any of the other type of LLMs that you use? Mm-hmm. I got my poll here. Yes. Confident? So anyone here feeling confident? Raise your hand. Awesome. That's understandable. Yes. I'm still figuring out what to say sometimes. And then I'm not sure where to start, and that's okay, because that's why we're here.